Welcome to the My Vision Express tutorial for the Patients module, and here we'll talk about the Health tab. To access the patient screen, click on File, Patients from the main menu. Or you may click on the Patients icon in the main toolbar. In the Search Patient panel, you can specify your search criteria and click Search to find the matching patient records. Your search criteria may be as specific or as general as you want. Highlight the patient record that you want to modify and click Select to open it. To enter a new patient profile into the system, click the Add button. The Health tab is shared between the patient and exam screens, and it's used to document and study the patient's clinical history. The records in this tab can be imported and exported from a variety of sources. If you subscribe to the My Vision Express e-prescribe program, once you finish creating an electronic prescription for your patient, the program will download other medications prescribed and allergies reported by any SureScript provider. You can also use the HL7 standard to exchange information on your patient with other providers, import lab results, or post your records to Microsoft Health Vault so that your patients will have ready access to them. The Vital Signs sub-tab records the patient's blood pressure readings, height and weight, and body mass index, BMI. To add a new set of readings, click the Add button. Click the Growth Chart button to see line graphs of weight versus age, height versus age, and BMI versus age for the patient. Use the Delete button to erase the selected record. The Problem List sub-tab allows you to enter any condition that affects or has affected the patient. To enter a new condition, click the Add button. You can select an ICD code from the ICD column in the data grid, or search for the condition name or ICD code by clicking the ICD code button. The Education button allows you to display educational material for the patient based on the conditions specified. In the Allergies sub-tab, you can add a patient's allergy directly through My Vision Express. Source equals MVE. Click the Add button and specify the details for a new allergy in the text boxes provided in the lower half of the tab. An allergy added in this fashion will have a source equals MVE. Select an MVE allergy record and click the Delete button to remove it. If you subscribe to the My Vision Express e-prescribing interface, you can click the e-prescribe button to use the New Crop website to specify and download patient's allergy information. Source equals ERX. Allergy data entered through the New Crop is available online to other providers through the SureScripts network. Similarly, allergies entered by other SureScripts providers for a given patient will be downloaded to My Vision Express as soon as an e-prescribing screen for that patient is closed. E-prescribe allergy records can only be removed from the New Crop website. The Medications sub-tab has the following functions. Add a patient's prescription directly through My Vision Express, again, source equals MVE, by clicking the Add button and then specifying the medication details on the RX pad screen. Use the Delete button to remove medication records with MVE source. Use the Modify button to edit the selected medication. If you subscribe to the My Vision Express e-prescribing interface, you can also click the e-prescribe button to use the New Crop website to prescribe medications and download a list of other medications that have been prescribed. source equals ERX, by other SureScripts providers to the current patient. Medications that you e-prescribe through NewCrop can be viewed by other providers through the SureScripts network. Medications entered by other SureScripts providers for a given patient will be downloaded to MyVision Express as soon as an e-prescribing screen for that patient is closed. ERX medications can only be removed from the NewCrop website. The Family History subtab describes conditions that have affected members of a patient's family. Use the Add button to create a new record and specify the details in the text boxes provided. Select a condition and click the Delete button to remove it from the list. You can also use the Ellipses button, which has the 3 dots right there, to select multiple family members with the same disease. The Disclosures subtab helps you keep track of disclosures provided. This subtab has the following functions. You can click Add Defaults to add the default sets of disclosures. Click the Add button to add a new disclosure record. Select a disclosure record and click the Delete button to erase it. The Immunizations subtab is used to keep track of patient immunizations. This subtab has the following functions. Click the Add button to create a new record. Select an immunization record and click the Delete button to erase it. And then click the Export button to save the immunization record in HL7 format. The Laboratory subtab is divided into 2 subtabs: Orders and Results. Orders keeps track of laboratory order specifications, and Results displays the lab results. These results can be imported from an HL7 file by going to Tools, Import, Laboratory Test Results from the main menu. In the Orders subtab, click the Add button to create a new laboratory order record. Then use the LOINC button to search for the laboratory test to input. Select a laboratory order and click the Delete button to erase it. In the Results subtab, click the Add button to create a new laboratory results record. Use the LOINC button to search for the laboratory test to input. The Education button allows you to display educational material for the patient. Select a laboratory results record, click the Delete button to erase a record. The Diagnostic Tests subtab is divided into 2 subtabs of its own: Orders and Results. The first one lets you keep track of diagnostic specifications, and the second one displays the diagnostic test results. In the Orders subtab, click the Add button to create a new diagnostic test order record. Select a diagnostic test order and click the Delete button to erase it. In the Results subtab, click the Add button to create a new diagnostic test results record. Use the LOINC button to search for diagnostic tests to add to the subtab. Select a diagnostic test results and click the Delete button to erase it. In the HL7 CCD/CCR tab, you can import and export the patient's health data in HL7 format using the Import and Export buttons. Once this is done, you can use the Upload button to send the data to Microsoft Health Vault. You can use the Delete button to erase a record. You can use the View button to view the CCD/CCR selected file. You can send the file using the Email button, and clicking the Generate CCD button will generate a CCD file from patient or exam data. And this concludes the tutorial for MyVision Express Patient Module, the Health tab. Thank you for watching.